Here's some of my thought process as I prepare to draw a character I've never drawn before, in this case, Leela from Futurama, but I do this with any character. Looking at my reference drawing, I first pick out a simple shape for her head and figure out how tall that head is. Then I use it to figure out how many heads tall she is. It can also help sometimes to figure out how many heads wide a character is. Then, with that knowledge in mind, I look at my reference and begin to figure out the simple shapes that make up the body's proportions and pose, lightly sketching out a roadmap of those shapes. In this pose, those forearms need to be roughly the same length, which just so happens to be the same length of the upper arms. The same goes for the upper legs, the same length, which is the same length as the lower legs. Now I start to draw the contours of the body. Looking at the reference, I notice the subtleties of the curves on the right arm, as well as the thighs, which help to form the line of her kneecaps. Finally, going back to the reference drawing and using her feet as a guide, I gauge how far the left arm should come forward and how far that right elbow should go back. I guess the overarching point here is there are many clues in a reference drawing that help you master a character for the first time. Train yourself to look for them. Follow me here and go to my YouTube channel, Level Up Cartooning, for the full lesson on Leela from Futurama and hundreds of other drawing videos.